everyone, welcome. Transport is going to be our topic for today's discussion, right? අපි අද කතා කරන්න යන්නේ transport ගැන. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි භාවිතා කරන එක ගමන් කරන්න භාවිතා කරන එක විදි නැත්තම් වාහන මොනවද කියන එක. So again, transport is quite an important topic in terms of your speaking part 1. So therefore, it is important for us to touch on these areas and also the vocabulary. දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් transport කියන එක important vocab එකක්. මොකද අපිට ගමනාගමනය සහ ඒ පිළිබඳව එන්න ඕන වචන සමහරක් වෙලාවට speaking test එකේ එන්න පුළුවන්. විශේෂයෙන්ම speaking test එකේ part 1 එකේ එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ හින්දා අපිට මේක important වෙනවා, right? Okay, interview yourself. So, you can interview your own self. I'm going to ask you the questions and think that I'm in front of you and give me the answers loudly. Okay, so start speaking out to your own self. දැන් interview කරන්න ඕනේ තමන් තමන්වම මම ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා ඕගොල්ලෝ හිතන්න ඕනේ මට තමයි උත්තර දෙන්නේ කියලා උත්තරේ මට කියන්න pause කරලා, right? So literally I won't hear you, but you are able to speak out. මට ඇහෙන්නේ නැති වුණාට තමන් තමන්ගේ speaking skill එක develop කරගන්න පුළුවන්, right? First question, how do you usually travel to work? Now, when you take the word usually, it means samanya. How do you usually travel to work? I travel by car. I travel by bus. I travel by train. Or you can answer, I usually travel by car. I usually travel by the bus. Or I usually travel by train. දැන් ප්‍රශ්නෙන් අහන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ කොහොමද සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වැඩට යන්නේ? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මම වැඩට යන්නේ බස් එකේ, කාර් එකේ නැත්නම් ට්‍රේන් එකේ. කැමති ඕනම මෝඩ් එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. I go by bus, I go by train, I go by car. නැත්නම් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කියන වචනේ දාන්න ඕනේ නම් I usually travel by car, I usually travel by bus, I usually travel by train. What kind land transport have you used? What kind land transport have you used, right? So it means අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ගොඩබිමේ පාවිච්චි කරන transport එක මොකක්ද කියලා, right? So you can say car, bus, taxi, okay, train. Any of these are ways that you have used or the ways that you could use a transportation mode. Hari? Then what kind land transport have you used? ගොඩබිමේදී පාවිච්චි කරන transport modes මොනවද? By car, by bus වෙන්න පුළුවන්, by taxi වෙන්න පුළුවන්, by train වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Have you traveled on water or in air? Have you? Right? I have traveled on water and I have also traveled in air. So have you? I would say yes. Have you? So you could say either yes or no. තමන් වතුරේ සහ එයා එකේ travel කරලා තියෙනවද? මම travel කරලා තියෙනවා, right? So ඒ හින්දා I'm going to say yes. මම වතුරේ ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා බෝට්ටුවක, right? එයා එකේ travel කරලා තියෙනවා plane එකේ. So තමන් travel කරලා තියෙනවා නම් yes කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙනවා මේ ප්‍රශ්න තුනේ land තියෙනවා, air තියෙනවා, water තියෙනවා. Okay? So now if you understand the transportation ways, you have the land, water and air. Okay? Right. Types of transportation. So here you have the different types that you use to transport goods or services or even people. You have by air, on land, by water. Now there are the three modes: by air, on land, by water. So just as I told you before, by air you have the air balloons, jet, airplane, helicopter. On land you have van, car, bus, not bus, bus, train, truck, fire truck, motorbike, scooter, cycle, or you can even call it a foot cycle, tractor. Here you have ship, boat, not a yacht, it's a yacht. Okay, a yacht is a type of a kind of a ship, like a boat kind of one, right? And then you have the submarine. So අපි බලමු මෙතන තියෙනවා ಜಾති තුනක්. ඒ කියන්නේ transportation modes තුනක්. එකක් තමයි ගොඩබිම, මේක තමයි අහසේ by air, වතුර by water. Okay? balloon කිව්වහම hot air balloon එකක්, jet එක, plane එක, helicopter, van, car, bus එක, bus, train කියන්නේ කෝච්චිය, truck එක, fire truck, motorbike, scooter කියන්නේ scooty එකට, foot cycle නැත්නම් අපි කියනවා cycle කියලා tractor එක. දැන් by water අපිට තියෙනවා ship එක, boat to a yacht එකක්. yacht එකක් කියන්නේ මේ ඒකත් boat වර්ගයක් වගේ තමයි. submarine කියන්නේ වතුර යට යන එකක්. Then අපි බලමු pronunciation. We'll have a look at the pronunciation of each of these words, right? Balloon, balloon. Jet, jet. Airplane, helicopter. Van, car. Bus, train, truck, fire truck, motorbike, scooter, foot cycle, tractor, ship, boat, yacht, submarine. Okay, now here also we don't have all the types, but I've selected a few. Right? මෙතන ඔක්කොම ಜಾති ටික නැහැ. select කරගෙන තියෙනවා සමහරක් ඒවා. Right? So again, you have the three, which is by air, on land, by water. Okay, you don't say by land, it's on land. Follow mata, right? But by air, by water. Right. Guess the modes of transportation. This one here, what is it? What do you think it is? It's a helicopter, so it is by air. This seems to be like a truck, so we can say on land. This is a bus on land. This one here is an airplane, so by air. This is a taxi, and that's on land. This is a car, so we could say again on land. This one is a scooter, so we can say on land. And then we have trains, right? So it is on land. Can you think of any other modes of transportation? Okay, think of the other modes that you could use. These are the modes of transportation. So 3 modes: by air, on land, by water. Okay, so here we have by air, on land. So the other one would be by water. So here I would say by water. Or you can just even say water is fine, okay? So this අපි බලන්නේ modes of transportation. හරි? එකක් තමයි පොළොව මත නැත්නම් වතුරේ සහ අහසේ. Right? ඒ තුන තමයි අපිට තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේක හෙලිකොප්ටර් එකක් ඒ හින්දා අහසේ by air. මේක ඇවිල්ලා truck එකක් පොළොව මත on land. bus එකක් on land. plane එකක් by air. taxi එකක් on land. car එකක් on land. scooty එකක් on land. මේක ඇවිල්ලා train එකක් on land. දැන් මෙතන තියෙන්නේ land සහ air කියන දෙක විතරයි. Can you think of another one? Yes, අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා මොකද්ද? water by water කියන එක. Right. Game word. Now what are you supposed to do? Take a paper and a pen and a pencil and start writing what? Types of transportation that you know. Okay? So example A, ambulance. What can you say? T, truck. Now please pause the video here and jot down some answers for these. Right? දැන් ඇවිල්ලා ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ එක එක අකුරෙන් පටන් ගන්න වචන ලියන්න ඕනේ. පුළුවන් තරමක් ඉක්මනට ලියන්න ඕනේ. ඒ හින්දා කොලේකුයි පෑන නැත්නම් පැන්සලක් අරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා අකුරු ටික ලියලා වචන ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ තමන් වීඩියෝ එක පෝස් කරලා ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඇවිල්ලා බලමු උත්තර මොනවාද කියලා. දැන් මම ලියන්නේ මට මතකෙට එන එක. ඒකම ඕගොල්ලන්ට ලියන්න කියලා එකක් නැහැ. ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියලා තියෙනවා නම් ගැලපෙන වචනයක් තමන්ට ඒක ටික් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So please pause and write the answers. Alright. I hope you have written the answers. මං හිතනවා ඕගොල්ලෝ දැන් උත්තර ටික ලියලා ඇති කියලා. මම ලියන උත්තර ටික මොනවද කියලා බලමු. ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියලා තියෙනවා නම් ඊට අමතරව ඒවා ටික් කරගන්න. Right? So here I'm going to put ferry. Ferry කියන්නේ වතුරේ මත යන එකක්. Truck ලිව්වා. Here I'm going to put bus. I'm going to put van. And here I'm going to put helicopter. Then ඔය මගේ මතකෙට ආපු ඒවා, right? You can use any other words that you like. So we have an ambulance, ferry, truck, bus, van, helicopter. It's not a van, okay? It's a van. Okay? Right. Moving on, we are going to do a puzzle, right? So here are some of the pictures. We need to put it into the puzzle. So the first one has been done for you. The yellow one is a school bus. Now usually in Sri Lanka, we don't have yellow color school buses, but abroad it's quite a prominent thing to see a school bus which is yellow color. දැන් අපිට මෙතනදී කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ puzzle එක solve කරන එක. රූප ටික බලලා වචනේ අපි දාන්න ඕනේ. එකක් තමයි එහෙම මම කරන්නේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට වචන මතක් වෙලා ස්පෙලිං උත් මතක හිටිනවා වචනේත් මතක හිටිනවා රූපෙත් තියෙන හින්දා නැත්නම් රූපේ වචනේ විතරක් දානකොට ඒක එච්චර interactive නැති හින්දා, right? So let's have a look at it and let's try the puzzle, okay? So number 2, let's do the easy ones first, okay? And then let's do the difficult ones. If you want, please pause the video, draw up the puzzle and try to complete it. තමන් කැමති නම් වීඩියෝ එක pause කරලා puzzle එක හැඳලා අපි ඊට පස්සේ බලමු උත්තර මොනවාද කියලා. නැත්නම් මාත් එක්කම කරන්න පුළුවන්. If not, you can join along with me. Right. Let's have a look at number 2. So this is a cycle. Number 2. Right. It's a cycle. We could even call it a bicycle. Now I'm going to put capital letters because everything has been done with capital letters in the example. මම capital letters වලින්ම කරන්නේ example එක කරලා තියෙන හින්දා නැත්නම් capital letters ඕනෙම නැහැ. Number 8 is easy. That is a car. This one, number 10. What do you think it is? It could be lorry, it could be truck. So we might not want to do that one. We could do number 3. Scooter. Right. Next one, let's have a look at number 7 is a van. Van. Number 4 down is a train. Right? Next one, number 5, it is a police car. Not police car, please. It is a police car. Number 11, it's an ambulance. Number 9, across is bus. Right? Then we have number 14, which is a motorcycle. Right? Number 12 we have. Alright, so let's have a look at number 10. We can do it. It's truck. T-R-U-C-K. Then we have 6 across, which is a sailboat, right? S-A-I-L-B-O-A-T. This is a nice one, a cruise ship. Okay? Cruise ship. Finally, this is called an airliner. So airplane, airliner. Okay. All right. So let's have a look at the words. School bus, bicycle, train, scooter, sailboat, van, car, bus, ambulance, motorcycle, police car, truck, airliner, cruise ship. All right. So with this, we basically have come to the end of the lesson. So let us have a look at what we learned today. So we had a look at transport. We learned that there were 3 main modes of transport: by air, on land, by water. And then under each of it, we had a look at the types of transport like car, bus, van, which is on land. And then we had a look at jet, helicopter, airplane, by air. And then we had a look at boat, cruise ship, yacht, which was by water. We had a look at some of the questions that we could, that could be asked from you during a speaking session, right? Then we also had a look at guessing, word race, and finally the puzzle. අද අපි බැලුවේ transport, ඒ කියන්නේ ගමනාගමනය පිළිබඳව අපිට එන වචන මේන් 3ක් තියෙනවා, modes 3ක් තියෙනවා, වතුරෙන්, ගුවනින් සහ පොළොව මත. ඒ තුන තමයි මේන් ඒවා. ඒ තුනට අයිති වෙන එක එක විවිධ types of transportation අපි බැලුවා. අපි ඊට පස්සේ බැලුවා word race එකක්, question speaking වලට එන්නේ කොහොමද. අන්තිමට අපි vocabulary lesson එකක් හින්දා puzzle එකක් කරා. With that, we come to the end of the lesson, which was all about transport.